Hello friends, in last lecture we studied the structure of pollen grain. So today's our topic is the development of male gametophyte, and you know very well that the development of male gametophyte takes place from pollen grain or microspore. Hence the microspore or the pollen grain, it is a initial cell or the first cell of male gametophyte. Second point, the development of male gametophyte are endosporic, means it is endosporic. Endosporic means the development of male gametophyte takes place or occurs within the pollen grain or microspore. Next point, the development of male gametophyte required. Okay, it involves two mitotic and one meiotic डिवीजन. इस साल की जो बोर्ड एग्जाम थी उसमें एक एमसीक्यू पूछा गया था. सो डैश mitotic and meiotic divisions are required or involved in the development of male gametophyte. The answer is two mitotic and one meiotic division. Next point, it takes place, the development of male gametophyte takes place in two stages at two different places. That is, first, before pollination, this stage takes place in pollen sac. And second, after pollination, this stage takes place on the stigma. So first of all, we will discuss about the first stage before pollination. Before pollination. So you know very well that these stage are in situ. In situ means it takes place within the pollen grain or microspore. Okay, these stages are in situ. In situ means in situation. Okay, so this stage takes place within the pollen grain. So in this stage, the protoplasm of pollen grain divides mitotically. Means by mitosis. And forms two unequal cell structure. That is, so the one cell is larger and another cell is smaller. So the two cell structure, the smaller cell are called as generative cell, and the larger cell are called as vegetative cell, or it is also called as tube cell. So what is the nature of generative cell? The generative cell are smaller. It has large nucleus thin cytoplasm, thin cytoplasm and lack of reserve food and lack of reserve food and vacuoles. But about that vegetative cell, the vegetative cell are, it is larger, the larger cell, that is vegetative cell. It contain nucleus, cytoplasm, large vacuole, and it contain reserve food. It contain reserve food. Okay. So the generative cell lack of cell wall. So it is suspended in the cytoplasm of vegetative cell or tube cell. Okay, so hence in this way the two-celled pollen grain are formed. Okay, and after formation of two-celled pollen grain, the anther shows dehiscence, means anther are breakdown, and it releases the two-cell pollen grain for pollination. And you know very well that the pollination takes place by the biotic as well as abiotic agents. Abiotic agents means the non-living things, that is wind and water, and biotic things means animals means the insect, etc. Okay, so this is the information about that before pollination. The next stage is after pollination, second stage. After pollination. Okay, after pollination, the pollen grain are deposit on stigma. The pollen grain deposit on stigma, because pollination means it is a process in which the pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma. That is called as pollination. And after pollination, the pollen grains deposit on stigma. Second point, the stigma secrete sugary substance. Sugary substance, and this substance absorbed by pollen grain. This substance absorbed by pollen grain. Hence, the volume of cytoplasm increases. And it create pressure on intine. And due to this intine comes out through germ pore, and form tube. To form tube is called pollen tube. So the pollen tube with cytoplasm, generative cell and vegetative cell nucleus. cell nucleus. Okay, so this pollen tube grows downward. This pollen tube grows downward through style towards the ovary due to chemical stimulus of ovary. Okay, so at that time the generative cell divides mitotically and form two haploid non-motile male gametes. Okay, and after formation of non-motile male gametes means the pollen tube with two haploid non-motile male gametes and degenerating vegetative cell. This structure are called male gametophyte. Okay, so these events takes place after pollination. So these are all events we have studied by diagrammatic representation. Okay, so I repeat again the all points. First, the microspore or pollen grain are the initial or the first cell of male gametophyte. It is the endospory, means this process takes place occur within the pollen grain. It involves two mitotic and one meiotic division. It takes place in two stages at two different places. That is, first in pollen sac and second is on the stigma, means before pollination and after pollination. So first of all, before pollination. This stage occurs in situ, means within the pollen grain. The protoplasm of pollen grain divides mitotically. So you know very well that the structure of pollen grain contain outer wall exine and inner wall are called as intine. And on exine the small openings are present, that is called as germ pores. Okay, so inside the intine the cytoplasm are present and at the center of cytoplasm the nucleus are present. So this is exine. This structure are called as intine. It is called as nucleus. It is called as cytoplasm, and it is a young pollen grain. This diagram of young pollen grain. Okay, the protoplasm of pollen grain divides mitotically. And it forms two cell structure. So that is smaller cell called generative cell, and the larger cell called vegetative cell. Vegetative cell, or it is also called as tube cell. So it is a two-celled pollen grain. Or it is also called as mature pollen grain. After formation of two-cell pollen grain, okay, the anther shows dehiscence and it releases the pollen grain. So next process is after pollination. So after pollination, the pollen grain deposit on stigma. Stigma secrete sugary substance. This sugary substance absorbed by pollen grain. this sugary substance absorbed by pollen grain, and due to this the pressure are exert on intine, and due to pressure I exert on intine, and this intine R comes out, this intine R comes out through germ pore. So this is the generative cell. Okay, it is a vegetative cell nucleus, vegetative cell nucleus, and it is a generative cell, generative cell, and this generative cell divides, this generative cell divides mitotically, and it forms two male gametes, and it forms two male gametes, and the vegetative cell degenerates slowly, the vegetative cell degenerate slowly. So in this way, from generative cell the two haploid non-motile male gametes are formed, male gametes are formed, and the vegetative cell nucleus, so this is the vegetative cell nucleus, vegetative cell nucleus. So, and this structure are called as pollen tube. Pollen tube means when the pollen tube with, when the pollen tube with two haploid non-motile male gametes, the degenerating vegetative cell nucleus and cytoplasm, this structure are called as male gametophyte. So these are all sequential events. These are all sequential events that takes place in the development of male gametophytes. So this is the diagrammatic representation of development of male gametophyte. Okay, so this is the total information about that, the development of male gametophytes. Friends, if you like my lectures, so please it is share and subscribe it. Thank you.